Hi, welcome to Savannah Oaks Middle School. My name is Mrs. Rauwerdink and I teach math and science in 6th grade. I look forward to seeing you in the fall. Today I'm here to talk about core classes and encore classes in middle school. Core classes are math, language arts, science, and social studies. In 5th grade, you may have called language arts literacy. So literacy will be called in 6th grade language arts. We also have classes called encore classes. And encore classes are classes that are not core subject classes. You will go through a 4-class rotation where you will take 4 classes, each 1 quarter long. So you will take Infotech for a quarter, Art for a quarter, Foreign Language for a quarter, and Family Consumer Ed or FACE for a quarter. You will also take Phi Ed, Physical Education, every other day, and opposite of that class, you will have a Read to Succeed class or an R2S class where you will read. Each of you will choose a music, band, orchestra, choir, or general music.